there's more smart lighting to love from Philips Hue. A new product allows you to coordinate light with what you're watching on screen. I'm Erin for TechGadgetsCanada.com and Best Buy Canada's blog, and the Philips Hue Play is a light bar that's primarily made to be placed beside or behind your laptop or computer screen. But you can also use it on your TV. Then, using the Philips Hue Sync tool for Mac and PC, you can set the lights to automatically mimic the colors and the mood of what's happening on screen. Using it with a computer is pretty straightforward, but getting it set up with your TV is a little more complicated. We're going to take a look at both setups and how it works. And a heads up, if you end up liking this video and finding it helpful, to please hit that like button and give us a sub, since it does help us keep making more videos that we hope everyone out there can watch, enjoy, and learn from.
Hue Play works by communicating with your computer and your smart lights to match and enhance the colors on the screen. It's important to note right off the bat that this will not work directly and solely with your TV set. It does require a computer or a laptop to play the video so it can match the screen. Though there is now a new HDMI connector called a Sync box that's supposed to make this easier. I don't have one, so for now I'll show you how to use the Play light bars as we have them.
Of course, you can get this set up and enjoy it while using your desktop or your laptop, since it's made to make gaming that much more intense, and that's primarily what these lights are built for. But if you can AirPlay or cast your video from your computer to your TV, you'll get the same effect on the big screen.
To operate any lights in the Philips Hue ecosystem, you'll need the Hue Bridge. This small cube plugs into your router and allows your lights to talk to your phone via your Wi-Fi network.
With your new Play light bars, you'll need to get them set up using the Philips Hue app. Then you'll also need to activate new software on your computer called the Philips Hue Sync tool. Then both of those are going to work together to provide what's called an entertainment area that should wow you.
First things first, place and then plug in your lights. You can set them in the included stands beside your TV or your computer monitor, or use the included adhesive tabs to stick them to the back of your screen. Then sign up for or sign into the free Philips Hue app. Now you want to add your lights to the app for control, so go to Settings, Light Setup, and then click Add Light in the top left corner there. Click Search and the lights should pop up in your list of available lights. You may need to scroll either to the top or the bottom of the list depending on how many you have in order to see them.
Once the lights appear, you'll need to assign them to a room, so choose where you'll use them. This is going to help later when you create what's called your lighting entertainment area.
To assign the Hue lights to a room, go back to Settings, go to Room Setup, and then check the box to select which lights to operate in a particular room. Now, room controls, by the way, allow you to use voice control if you have a smart digital assistant like Google Home or Amazon Echo and Alexa. They also allow your lights to be controlled all at once or room by room from your smartphone.
As I've said before, Hue lights are easy to operate and run bug-free, so the setup process up to this point should be quick and painless.
Next, head to your computer. You'll need to download a tool called Philips Hue Sync, and you can find it at meethue.com. I'll make sure it's linked up here on the channel.
Once the Hue Sync software is installed on your computer, you can open it up and run it. The software will help you get everything set up, so just follow the instructions. Once that software is set up and connected to your Philips Hue Bridge, you'll again return to the app on your phone. Back at the Hue smartphone app, there is one more step. You will need to set up what's called an entertainment area. Now, this setup tells the Hue Play lights exactly where to operate in your home. I chose to make my living room Entertainment Area 1.
To get your entertainment area set up, head back to Settings, then look for Entertainment Areas, then create an entertainment area. Once your area is created, you can assign lights to be used for these special immersive effects. Next up, the app will give you a diagram of a room, and all you need to do is drag the light icons around and place them to accurately represent where they are in your space.
Now it's time to start enjoying your multi-sensory experience. Head back to your computer and start the Philips Hue Sync app if it's not still running.
In here, you'll confirm which areas you want the lighting effect to happen in, and you can choose which type of entertainment you're going to watch, whether it's gaming or videos. You can also choose whether you want the effects to be subtle or more intense, then click Start Light Sync. On your computer or laptop, once you start your game or play a video, it starts to coordinate the lights for you. If you want to try this on your TV, play the video full screen, then AirPlay or cast to the TV in your room. Voila! While all this may seem complex, once things are set up, it's simply a matter of running the Sync app on your computer, and the lights, wherever you place them, will react.
With all the Hue lighting in the room, the effect of the play bars is really cool. They match the intensity and the colors of what's on screen to essentially widen your viewing area, making for a much more immersive whole room experience. And if you've added other lights around your room too, the whole area reacts. Imagine watching a movie when a building explodes and your whole room lights up to match, or playing an intense video game where your space reflects exactly what's happening in the game. It takes home entertainment to a whole different level. The lights respond really well to what's playing on your computer screen, and you can amplify the effect if you use the AirPlay or Cast feature and cast it or AirPlay it to your TV. But on the downside, if these are your first Hue lights, you're probably going to find it a bit complex to get set up. Even so, once you've got it, the Play Light Bar Kit and the Sync software tool work perfectly together to create a room-filling light show that matches what you're watching perfectly. It's great for gamers and for folks looking to create a more immersive video experience. You can read more at blog.bestbuy.ca, and you can post any questions you have about the Hue Play Light Bars either there on the blog or, as always, here on the YouTube channel. If you liked this video and found it helpful, please hit that like button and give us a sub, since it does help us keep making more videos that we hope everyone out there can watch, enjoy, and learn from. Thanks so much for watching. I'm Erin. You can follow me on Twitter or Instagram until the next time. I'm at ErinLYYC. You can also always find me at facebook.com/TechGadgetsCanada.